Hi YouTube, this is Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, whew, child, I'm on my break, and I have some products to show you. Wow. Let's see. I don't know. I just have to look down in my camera, child. Because my little stand, I had a little thing that you put on your fingers, and it broke. So I have some scissors here, which I did not bring. Oh, wait. So first of all, I got the Juvia's Place dark brown pencil. Came in this box. I got the brow gel in brown. And I'm not going to demonstrate these today because I was going to demonstrate each individual one. But I didn't bring my, this brow gel is dark brown. And this brow gel is clear. Okay. And then we have a dark brown brow pen. Okay. And I'll show them to you. This is the brow pen in dark brown. My speech is so off. And I also got this eye scope. And these were like $4 a piece. They had them on sale. But then I think I got the collection. So oh, it's all the way over there. So this is the only shade right here that I wouldn't be able to wear on my brow. This is a dark brown. This is a well, actually this is a medium dark. This is dark. This is brown black. Okay. And oh, let me see.
Man, I don't even ever have a drink I want in here, ever. Go down to that lady downstairs, she charge you arm and leg.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna demonstrate each one. Oh Lord. Hold on. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate each one day. Maybe this Friday. So I'm just going to use this one today. So it says to brush your brows up, and then you would take, this is not the right one, but let's see if it's gonna do it though. I don't know if it's doing it. Did it do it? Did y'all see it cut anything? see it cut? Did y'all see it? Did y'all see it cut in it? Did it? I think it is, because I think I got too close that time. And I shouldn't be doing this. I should have waited until I got my contacts. That way, because I'm looking over the top of my glasses. And I can't really see that well. So you brush them up. Okay, you brush them up. As y'all see, I don't really have a lot of lashes. I mean brows. And they're very thin. They're very thin. So I guess you go like this and cut. But you will also need like maybe like a razor. You will also need like a razor to cut. So thank God I have like these little thin. Ooh, y'all, that messed with my my whatever I got going on, child. Okay. Okay. Y'all could probably see it better than I could. Okay, so now